Okay, everybody, welcome to this new video. This one will be a video really particular because right now we are not going to tourist place or something. I'm working. I'm just working here in my house with the constructor that is an old friend, and he's a constructor here in the town. So if you want to construct something in your house, something, you can contact him. But today I just wanted to help him to put something here in my room because I wanted to put like ceiling. I don't know exactly the name, but yeah, it's ceiling. So I will be working on this with him because I wanted to work. I mean, one of my dreams, I don't know, but one of my dreams is to work on any kind of jobs, like for 1 week per job. Obviously, I cannot because I have a job as a software engineer, but today I'm free, and so I can help him to do this thing, and I really like to help him because he taught me a lot of things before, like electricity, a little bit of electronics, something like that, because he's like electrician, and also a constructor, so he helped me a lot every time. So today this video will be for like constructor or something like that. If you want to know how the people put the ceilings, I mean, and the things that you see like white the ceiling. Right now we just finished put that angle. Right now he is putting some nails over there. So I think you enjoy a little bit the video. I mean, it will be like something experimental or something, I don't know exactly, but it will be really curious. I mean, I want to record all the process of this thing, and you will be seeing how he works or how I work too, and it will be a little bit interesting. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. And if you want to construct something or put some ceiling or something like that here in the town or near of Chalatenango, you can contact me or contact him directly. I mean, he works on it every day, so he can help you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's continue. Here we are putting the angles so the ceiling can lay down, yeah, right there. It has some nails. As you can see, we are using some full metal nails because the wall is really hard. So we need to use this one and not just the yellow one. I mean, the normal nails we cannot use it because the wall is too strong or too hard. So yeah, you need to use this one. He's basically one of the most recognized constructors here in Chalatenango, specifically in Santa Rita, because he, every time, I mean, all his life, I think, has worked as a constructor and electrician. So yeah, he is very recognized. And if you want to do something in your house, you can requested me his number if you want, or something, or contact directly to him, because yeah, he works nice and he's a really honest person. So for any kind of construction here in my house, I always contract him. Okay, as you can see, we just finished to put the angles in the wall. This is the first step, and as I mentioned before, you need to leave like 30 centimeters per nail. And he is putting right now like sealant to avoid the insects or animals to cross on the ceiling or the roof. You can see. This one is an optional step because if you don't need to put this one in your house or something, because it's depending obviously on your house, on your purpose. We are measuring right now to put the slots of ceilings because the first one, I mean the first slot that will be next to the wall, we need to put or to leave one space of 115 centimeters, and the next one that is not next to the wall, you need to leave a space of 120 centimeters. That's what we are doing right now. He is doing this thing also. We're putting right now these like T metal pieces. I mean the T is because of the shape, and this will be like the support for the ceiling slots. You can see we mark here 115 centimeters. So we are right now putting this in, and then we need to put the other one here because yeah, basically, and here there are 120 centimeters until here. This is the measure that we take from here to there, but he leaves this thing to then when we put it, he can put the nail over here. And yeah, basically we finished to put this horizontal metal, the T-shaped metal. In Spanish we call it face. And right now we need to put the cruz. I don't know if that's the name in English because in Spanish we said cruceros. So the first one that will be over there, do you remember that we marked over there to the wall 115 centimeters. So we need to cut just the first one because the other ones we will put it as they came, I mean from the fabric, from the where they built it or made it. So right now Beto is putting the cruz. Here we are putting the cruz metals, or the vertical metals. And as a worker, I have the right to eat tasty food, and this one is my mom's tasty food that she cooked it. It's the best one. Okay, dear friends, we just finished to put the cruises, I mean the vertical metals. So you can see basically all the frame is already set it up. So right now we need to start to put the ceiling slots and also the wire to hold it. I mean to make it stronger. So we will do it later in the afternoon because right now it's like lunch time. So we will continue in a while. And right now we are installing this wire to put this lamp in the middle because will be 3 lamps will be available, 2 like those ones but different because for the ceiling is different. Will be white ones and this one will be in the center and this one is like warm, I mean like yellow. Hey everybody, continue with the video. Let's put in the slots of ceiling over there. You can see like the half of the room is almost complete. Start. One of the hardest thing or like take too much to do is like cut the slots because you need to be really careful doing it. Okay, my friends, and this is the result. This is how the ceiling is now. This one we put with Beto. It took us like 2 days to put it, and it was so nice. It looks really nice. The yellow lamp and the others two one. I just love it. I really love how it looks right now. You can see how the bedroom looks right now. It looks really nice, and I just love how the ceiling looks. So I hope you enjoyed the video about how we put and we constructed the ceiling here, and I just hope that you enjoyed the video. It was a little bit curious about how to put the ceiling, how can be a constructor one day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Greetings for everyone. I hope everyone enjoys the video. Please share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also greetings for my cousins Lorena that I just saw her here in a supermarket in San Salvador, and greetings for her and for her husband and everyone also. So please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.